If you're craving something that tastes gourmet but doesn't require hours in the kitchen, then this quick and easy garlic shrimp pasta recipe is about to become your go-to meal. Imagine succulent, juicy shrimp sautéed in rich garlic butter, tossed with perfectly cooked pasta, and finished off with a sprinkling of fresh parsley and Parmesan cheese. Best of all, it takes just 20 minutes to whip up from start to finish. It's no wonder that foodies like Jennifer Aniston and Beyoncé are fans of this dish. It's elegant, flavorful, and the ultimate dinner option when you're in a rush, but still want something that feels luxurious. So, grab your skillet and pasta pot, because you're about to make the best shrimp pasta your kitchen has ever seen. The ingredients for garlic shrimp pasta. For this quick and easy garlic shrimp pasta, simplicity is key. You'll need a pound of fresh or frozen shrimp, peeled and deveined. Fresh shrimp is always preferred for the best flavor, but frozen works in a pinch as long as you let it thaw properly. The pasta of choice can be anything from spaghetti, linguine, or even fettuccine depending on your preference. Each type works beautifully for absorbing the garlicky sauce. Next, garlic. You'll need a hefty amount to truly get that delicious garlicky flavor. Think 4 to 6 cloves, finely minced. Fresh garlic is always the way to go here. It's what gives the dish its signature punch. Butter and olive oil make the sauce rich and silky, while white wine, or chicken broth for a non-alcoholic version, adds a depth of flavor. For garnish, fresh parsley and a generous grating of Parmesan cheese bring brightness and sharpness to the dish. Don't forget to season with salt, black pepper, and a hint of red pepper flakes to give the dish just the right amount of heat. How to cook the shrimp. Start by preparing your shrimp. If you're using frozen shrimp, make sure it's fully thawed before you begin cooking. Pat the shrimp dry with paper towels to remove any excess moisture. This will help them brown nicely in the pan. Season the shrimp lightly with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a bit of heat. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and add a tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is melted and the mixture is hot, add your shrimp to the pan in a single layer. Let the shrimp cook undisturbed for about 1 to 2 minutes on the first side until they turn pink and start to curl. Flip the shrimp over and cook for another minute or 2 until they are fully cooked but not overdone. You want them to be juicy and tender, not rubbery. Remove the shrimp from the skillet and set them aside on a plate, making the garlic butter sauce. In the same skillet, add another tablespoon of olive oil and 2 more tablespoons of butter. Lower the heat to medium and add your minced garlic. Cook the garlic, stirring frequently, for about 30 seconds to 1 minute until it becomes fragrant. Be careful not to let the garlic brown, as this can make it bitter. If you're using white wine, now is the time to add it. Pour about half a cup of white wine into the skillet, stirring to scrape up any browned bits from the bottom of the pan. Allow the wine to simmer and reduce for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you're substituting chicken broth, follow the same process. Once the wine has reduced, add about a 1/4 cup of pasta water to the skillet. This starchy water will help thicken the sauce slightly and help it cling to the pasta later on. Stir everything together until the sauce is smooth and slightly thickened. Combining the pasta and shrimp. While you're making the sauce, be sure to have your pasta cooking in a pot of salted boiling water. Cook the pasta until it's al dente, which typically takes about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on the type of pasta you're using. Once the pasta is cooked, drain it, reserving a little bit of the pasta water for later. Add the cooked pasta directly into the skillet with the garlic butter sauce. Toss the pasta in the sauce until it's fully coated. Then add the cooked shrimp back into the skillet, tossing everything together until the shrimp are evenly distributed throughout the pasta. Taste the dish and season with additional salt and pepper if needed. Finally, sprinkle with freshly chopped parsley and a generous grating of Parmesan cheese for a burst of flavor and freshness. Serving suggestions. This quick and easy garlic shrimp pasta is best served immediately while it's still warm. Pile the pasta high on plates, making sure to divide the shrimp evenly among servings. You can garnish each plate with a few extra sprinkles of Parmesan cheese, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and a dash of red pepper flakes for an extra kick of heat. Pairing this pasta with a simple side salad of arugula or spinach dressed with lemon vinaigrette helps to balance the richness of the garlic butter sauce. You can also serve it with some crusty bread to mop up any remaining sauce. This dish is light yet satisfying and is sure to become a family favorite. Best drink pairing: garlic shrimp pasta. Pairs beautifully with a crisp, chilled glass of white wine. A Sauvignon Blanc or Pinot Grigio works particularly well due to their light and refreshing flavors. These wines have the right amount of acidity to cut through the richness of the garlic butter sauce, making every bite even more enjoyable. If you prefer not to drink alcohol, a sparkling water with a slice of lemon or lime is a great non-alcoholic alternative that will cleanse your palate between bites. For a more indulgent pairing, you could also opt for a light sparkling wine, such as Prosecco or Champagne. The bubbles will enhance the overall dining experience and add a celebratory touch to an otherwise simple meal. Dessert pairing. After indulging in a rich garlic shrimp pasta dish, you may want to finish the meal with something light yet satisfying. A lemon sorbet is an excellent choice as it provides a refreshing, palate-cleansing contrast to the savory flavors of the pasta. The bright citrus notes of the sorbet will leave your mouth feeling refreshed, while its light texture won't leave you feeling overly full. If you're in the mood for something a bit more indulgent, a simple panna cotta, flavored with vanilla or lemon, would also be a great option. This Italian dessert is creamy and rich, but not too heavy, making it the perfect sweet finish to a pasta dinner. Health benefits. Shrimp is an excellent source of lean protein and is low in calories, making it a great option for those looking to maintain a healthy diet. It's packed with nutrients like selenium, iodine, and vitamin B12, which are essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism and immune system. Shrimp is also a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their heart health benefits. Garlic, the star of this dish, is not only delicious, but also incredibly healthy. It's known for its immune-boosting properties and is rich in antioxidants that can help reduce the risk of certain diseases. Garlic has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and can help lower cholesterol and blood pressure, making it a fantastic addition to any meal. Pasta, while often seen as indulgent, can also be part of a balanced diet when enjoyed in moderation. Opting for whole wheat pasta can add extra fiber to the dish, helping to keep you fuller for longer and aiding in digestion. Paired with shrimp and garlic, this pasta dish becomes a well-rounded meal that offers a good balance of protein, carbs, and healthy fats. Fun facts about shrimp pasta. Shrimp pasta has been a beloved dish in many cultures around the world for centuries. In Italy, it's known as spaghetti alla scampi and is typically made with simple ingredients like olive oil, garlic, white wine, and shrimp. This dish has become a staple in Italian-American cuisine, with many variations appearing in restaurants across the United States. In coastal regions around the world, shrimp pasta is often made with locally caught shrimp, making it a popular dish for seafood lovers. In the southern United States, for example, shrimp and grits, or shrimp pasta, with Cajun seasoning are common dishes that celebrate the abundance of fresh seafood in the region. Interestingly, shrimp is one of the most consumed types of seafood in the world, and it's easy to see why. It's incredibly versatile and can be cooked in a variety of ways: grilled, sautéed, fried, or boiled, making it the perfect ingredient for everything from pasta to salads to tacos. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make this quick and easy garlic shrimp pasta. It's a delicious, flavorful dish that's perfect for busy weeknights, when you want something that feels special but doesn't take hours to prepare. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy, tasty recipes. Be sure to check out our other videos for more cooking inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.